Hey guys, it's Crystal Renee here. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, thanks for joining. Today's video is going to be all about my Calathea Medallion. If you'd like to see what's next, stay tuned. So about a week ago, me and my son DeMichael went out to get a few items from the grocery store. Charles happened to give me a few bucks and said, hey, grab yourself a plant if you see one. And that's exactly what I did. In this picture, you see my son holding up two different plants. I was torn between the two and had no idea which one to get. So I decided to post on my Facebook to one of my plant groups to help me decide. And here's how that went. As you can see, I was getting plenty of mixed reviews on which plant to choose, and they were only making this decision harder for me. This person said get both. This is crazy. So needless to say, I was stuck making my own decision, and from the title, I'm sure you know which plant I chose. If you guessed Calathea, then you are right. She was just too beautiful. I could not leave her behind. I was stuck between the fact people were saying this was a difficult plant to care for, but I just could not bear leaving without this plant. The other one was some type of Dieffenbachia, which I have two varieties of those. That one was a variety that I didn't have, and it was so gorgeous, but I decided to go with the Calathea. So I did my research, and this is what I found out. Calatheas are a bit picky. They like distilled water. Also, they enjoy lower light levels, high humidity, and moderate soil moisture. Position your Calathea in an indirect sunlight and keep away from direct sunlight because this will cause scorch on the leaves. Maintain an air temperature around 60 to 70 degrees. If you choose to fertilize your Calathea, the best seasons for this is spring, summer, and fall, with the balanced food diluted to about half the recommended strength. There are a few reasons why your Calathea will get brown edges. One being either fertilizing when the soil is dry or uneven watering, or you're over or under watering your plant as well. Be sure to mist your plant. This will help prevent your leaves from yellowing or browning as well. Calatheas are a bit special and sometimes go by the nickname of a prayer plant. The reason for this is because it closes its leaves at night and opens them up again in the morning. So when they close up at night, it kind of looks as if they are praying. Please note that Calatheas are highly sensitive to cold, drafts, and sudden temperature fluctuations. They grow best in warm, humid, and well-lit conditions. You should also prune out spent blooms and dead, dying, damaged leaves as they occur. Use clean, sharp scissors or pruners to snip the stalks off at soil level. It's normal for Calatheas to shed older outer leaves occasionally. Also, you might want to keep the leaves cleaned on your Calatheas because this helps it soak in more sun. In the proper living conditions, Calathea Medallion grows relatively fast and can reach up to 2 feet in height. When it comes to repotting these plants, you want to do this every year or every other year to give fresh soil and nutrients. And when it comes to propagating your Calathea Medallion, you yourself have to determine which area you would like to divide to create a new plant. Carefully untangle the roots, and there you have it. As you can see, my Calathea is growing 3 new leaves already. It's already bloomed 2 new leaves, as you can see here in this video. Check out the back of these leaves. They're so purple, and look at the detail. That is gorgeous. So I guess I will leave you with a couple different angles of this plant that I have. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a little bit about Calatheas since watching. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and click the bell so you'll never miss a post. Follow me on all my social media platforms. And until next time, happy growing. Bye.